Stop paying the dealership hundreds for a replacement fob. This tiny black box claims you can do it yourself in minutes. And honestly, that promise is the main reason anyone looks at the Dorman 13728. If you drive one of those classic GM SUVs or trucks, think the 2007 to 2010 Tahoe, Yukon, or Escalade, you know how expensive those little plastic remotes are when they break or disappear. Dorman steps in here with a vehicle-specific replacement that looks and feels exactly like the original 5-button unit. It's black, it's simple, and it weighs practically nothing, just 0.01 kilograms. The real magic here is the DIY programming. They include instructions, and if your vehicle supports onboard programming, which these specific GM models do, you can skip the expensive trip to the service bay entirely. You just follow the simple procedure and set up your new fob in minutes. Now, there's a crucial caveat that Dorman makes very clear. You absolutely must have at least one working original key or fob to initiate the programming process. If you lost your last one, this DIY solution won't work for you, and that's an important detail to remember before you buy. Holding it, the construction feels solid. It's advertised as durable and drop-resistant, which is exactly what you need for something that spends its life being dropped between the seats or tossed across the driveway. The buttons have that satisfying tactile click, matching the OEM feel. It's designed to function perfectly, covering lock, unlock, panic, and the liftgate controls for those compatible models. It's specifically tailored for that 2007 to 2010 generation of big GM vehicles: Suburban, Yukon XL, Tahoe, Escalade ESV. Always confirm your exact trim, but if you have one of those, this is likely your affordable ticket back to keyless convenience. Overall, the Dorman 13728 delivers exactly what it promises: an affordable, functional, and surprisingly easy replacement remote. If you meet that one programming requirement, this is an amazing way to save serious cash and get back that essential keyless entry function.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.